Hello everyone, in this video, very short, we would like to share the trick to remove the stuff, especially the blank cover of the whole accessories button house in the Toyota, Honda or other cars. When you do the job, you find out that you want to remove the blank cover and replace it with the new thing such as USB port in this case. And removing this blank cover is crazy, okay, because to some reason. The first is, you can see how the mechanism is. It has two side tab, okay, nice, thanks, but you cannot put your finger at the back end, the whole stop wiring thing of the car at the back end here. You cannot put your two at the back end to slide this one out like a piece of cake, no, because of the limited access behind. So you have to do it from the front. And if you try to slide something like the flat screwdriver or other flat thing to slide, and then you try to bring this one out, you see that you will likely get something on the side, tear and damage like this on this one, which is not a problem. But the problem is we will damage the hole here, okay, the dashboard here, which would remain on the car, in the car I mean. And this one we need to remove it separately. So how we do that is get a screw with the big head, okay, so you screw it in, it's tight, and then use anything like the plier or the tool remover, slide in and pull it out. Piece of cake. In this case, not really, because the tie insert of this one inside, but it definitely doesn't touch anything to the dashboard and make it easy. And now you can take the screw back, keep it, and this blank cover we don't need anymore. Actually, we have the new USB port cover over here, right here now, and here you go. Let's see what we do is we actually bring this one in, and you see that? That's our new USB port inside this car, which is a Toyota Estima 2008 import from Japan. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.